welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we're going to be unboxing or unbagging our September 2019 Splendies. So I'm going to fill you in a little bit just in case you don't know what Splendy subscription is. Before I do, I want to say thank you so much for being here. It does mean so much to me. I apologize if I'm a little lackluster in the next few videos. I'm really not feeling that well, but wanted to get some stuff out for you guys. And if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We do have 2 active giveaways right now. We have our makeup and skincare giveaway ending on the 4th of October, as well as the giveaway in the Boxy Luxe unboxing. Both of those are going to be linked down below, so definitely enter if you have not already. But as far as Splendies, so it says surprise undies delivered. A surprise subscription of 3 pairs of quality undies delivered to your door. It's like Christmas every month. We carry sizes from small to 4X and everywhere in between, and you can choose to receive all thongs, no thongs, or make it a complete surprise. Or you can get all thongs, no thongs, or like a mix. And it says it's that simple. In a matter of days, you'll get a wonderful surprise of 3 pairs of great undies for as long as you wish. All plans do automatically renew on the 11th of every month, and plans start at $14.99 a month. It is free shipping. And just before I started filming this, I did check, and the code June50 will still get you 50% off. So I will put a link down below, and you can use the code June50 and get your first 3 pairs of adorable, cute, comfy panties, because they have all been so adorable, cute, and comfy, for $7.50. So it's a great deal. But let's get in here and see what I got for September. Like I said, I will put that link and that promo code, and like I said, I did check and it is still active. So they do always wrap it up super cute with the little Splendies sticker. Oh, see some cute stuff already. Okay. And I'll go ahead and tell you, I do not do the thongs, because ever since I had Christopher, I don't do thongs. Just don't. Just something this mama just doesn't want to do anymore. Now, these are super cute. These are from I apologize. These are from Wilshire, Montana Intimates, and they're $12 value. And most of the time I have found that all of the panties have a $12 value a piece. So that's $36 in value, but you're only paying, you know, $14.95, and like I said, with the code you can get your first month for only $7.50. But this is the first pair. Super cute pink. They have the waist, the lace here for the around the waist with the little blue bow. They are so soft. These are, what are these made of? 94% polyester, 6% spandex. As I said, they are so soft. But they are so cute. And then the back is just the back. So those are really cute. And then, oh, every now and then they'll throw in a pair that, even though they're cute, they got a little bit of like sexy happening. So these are actually from Splendies. These are also $12. These are cute. And I think it's just my instinct with so many unboxings to say so appropriate for fall, because they are. The coloring here is so pretty, but it's kind of see-through right here, right down here. So like I said, super cute, but they still kind of put a little bit of sexy in there. And the back is completely kind of see-through. So adorable, so soft and comfy, like, y'all. Now this pair though, this pair looks so cute. This is also by Splendies. It's a $12 value. And this is 86% nylon, 14% spandex. These are darn adorable. like just, but the way they feel, oh my goodness. Like these are the like throw on, you know, when you just really need to be comfy. And because they're so smooth, you could wear them under a lot of different types of material if you're wearing a dress or something, and you won't see, because you can see how the edges are just so smooth. You won't see them like if you have a more form-fitting dress on, but they're gonna be comfy. So we have this cute pair right here. Again, well, now I'm all like that I'm just really liking. We have this little ooh la la pair right here. That's, like I said, perfect for fall with the little bow there. And then the super cute little pink pair with the lace waistband and the little blue bow. So again, they all feel super comfy, super pretty. And like I said, I have not been disappointed with any Splendies so far. They have all been absolutely amazing, adorable, kind of sexy, and definitely comfortable, which is what matters most in my opinion. So let me know what you think. And like I said, I will put a link down below as well as that promo code. So sign up and get your first month for only $7.50 and get you some cute panties. What's not to love? I hope you guys have a great day. Again, don't forget about those giveaways, and I hope you will give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Again, have a great day. I'll see you with the next one. Bye.